What do our dreams mean? Have you ever woken up from a dream and wondered what it meant? Dreams are a mysterious and fascinating part of the human experience. But what do they really mean? In this video, we'll explore the science of dreams and their many meanings. We'll use analogies and real-life examples to simplify complex concepts and make them more relatable. First, let's talk about what dreams are. Dreams are a series of images, thoughts, and sensations that occur during sleep. They can be vivid, surreal, and sometimes even bizarre. But dreams are not just random nonsense. They can reveal important insights into our subconscious mind and our deepest desires and fears. For example, dreams can be a way for our brain to process and make sense of our daily experiences and emotions. They can help us work through problems and find creative solutions. But dreams can also be a way for our brain to communicate important messages to us. They can reveal hidden fears, desires, and motivations that we may not be aware of in our waking life. But interpreting dreams is not always easy. Dreams can be highly symbolic and subjective, and their meanings can vary from person to person. That's why it's important to pay attention to the details of your dreams and try to understand what they might be telling you. For example, if you dream about flying, it could represent a sense of freedom or empowerment. If you dream about falling, it could represent a fear of failure or a loss of control. But it's important to remember that dreams are not always literal. They can be influenced by our emotions, experiences, and cultural background. That's why it's important to approach dream interpretation with an open mind and a willingness to explore different possibilities. So, the next time you wake up from a dream, take a moment to reflect on what it might be telling you. It could reveal important insights into your subconscious mind and help you better understand yourself. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video on the science of dreams and their many meanings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and inspiration on the power of the human mind.